Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to share some little projects that I've been working on. First of all, can we take a minute to look at this beautiful ready to dangle? So she has these in her shop. I use this one. They're different ones, and I'm sure that she has plenty others, but honestly guys, they sell out really quickly. Sorry for my kids, guys, but look at how pretty is this little chickie girl. And I used all her beads to make a little charm. And it's so simple, guys. So these are her little milky ones. Here, let me show you the ones that I used. So I used the blue ones out of this pack because I felt like there was some blues in here. And then I used a few of these jelly ones. Of course, they are my fave. And then I forgot to add the flowers, guys. I want to add the flowers. I used a few of these pink ones because I felt like I needed a little bit more pink. And then I used a bunch of these. So I used the white ones, the yellow, and the light blue ones. And you can kind of see them. Beautiful. I want to find my little beads that they kind of replicate little like furry balls. I think that will add some texture to this, so I think I'm going to be adding that. But so far this is what she's looking like, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to make some beaded carrots. So I created this little cutie here. She's a beaded carrot, and I'm going to be using these that came in my design team package. They come in several different colors. But obviously, we're going to be using the orange ones. So let me take out a few orange. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to create some little beaded carrots. All right. So guys, I'm running low on these. I love to grab these from Amazon. Let me know if you're interested. I have to do another order because as you can see, I'm running low. This thing comes jam-packed with them. So this is just a little tiny, and I like this for little small projects like this. I don't need, because I don't like to cut the what do you call this? The eye pin. I don't like to do the wire cutting, so I like this that it's small and I could just roll it and be done, and I don't have to do any cutting. So this is fairly simple. We have this is called a ball pin. And I didn't put this on the other one, but I'm going to do it on this. I'm going to go ahead and add a daisy spacer. We're going to go ahead and add the little egg, the orange egg. And then I'm going to go in with another daisy spacer. And then I have some of these, the smallest little flower, and they're like a teal color. So I'm going to add that on top. These are actually from Temu. I had these in my stash for a long time. Oh no, it fell. Let's do that again. Daisy spacer. Orange egg. Another daisy spacer. And then our little top. Now you can also use your bead caps. Other bead caps. I'll do a gold one and show you guys what it looks like. And then we're going to go ahead and take our round nose pliers. Clamp them at the very end because I want to make a tiny loop. And I'm just going to roll all the way down till you can't anymore. And you want to be careful when you get in the center. If you do it too tight, it will crack and break on you. So this is good like that. Let's see if I can get a tiny bit tighter right there. And then there goes your little beaded carrot. Isn't that adorable? Let's do another one, but use some gold bead caps in case you guys don't have these in particular in your stash, okay? Let's grab another eye pin. Let's go in with a daisy spacer, an orange egg, another daisy spacer. And then this is where you can kind of play with your stash and see what kind of bead caps you have. I would suggest not using some that are too big. So I'll show you how two of these look. And you guys can decide what look you like. So these are some of my smaller bead caps that I have in my stash. This one is a leaf. And then this one I think is from Hobby Lobby. I really can't remember. But can you guys see it's kind of cupped? And I think that that will look really cute. I hope you guys can see that well. So let's try this one. And I'm going to turn it upside down. So there's one option. You guys got to tell me how you think these look. What's your opinion if this looks like a carrot? But you can definitely, I feel like the green is going to give it more of the carrot look. But you can also, you know, use your gold. So we have this one. And I'm just turning them upside down. That one's really cute, guys. I like that one. And then I want to show you the bigger bead cap that I have. So the smaller ones look a lot better in my opinion. But these are other options in case you don't have any green ones. So let me know down below what you guys think, which one you think looks better. Let's just go ahead and do this one, I guess. I don't know if I like this one better or the cupped one. I'm gonna go with the cupped one. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and put my, roll it up starting at the very end. And I'm gonna keep on going. You probably wanna put like a little seed bead under there. Yeah, we gotta put a seed bead in there, guys. Let me go ahead and unwind this. Because it's so cupped, it needs something there. So let me grab a small bead from my stash. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think about this. I love to create little beaded charms with my beads. And that's why I love it whenever she has these different beads. So I could either do this tiny one, or I have this ball one. This one's kind of, it might be too big. We'll see. But I just want to put something there. Let's try the ball. That's how the ball looks. It'll mostly be, I'll go with it. So let's just do both of these and you guys can tell me what you think. But again, I really like the green one because it just gives more of the leaf, you know, from a carrot. So there goes another one. So you guys can see how it looks with the gold. Probably a smaller ball. But yeah, I think I really like the green one, you guys, because it gives more of a carrot feel when you compare the two. So that's it, guys. Quick little share for happycraftershop.com. Don't forget to use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. I always love her beads, and she has die sets now, guys. I'm gonna be busting into those later this week. So I'll probably have a video for you next week with my projects. But look at how beautiful these ready-to-bead dangles. They always turn out so cute with all of her beads. And I have tons of beads in my stash from her. I love to mix and match with beads from my stash as well. So let me know what you guys think about these projects. I hope that you enjoy these tutorials that I do for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the carrots. I think they came out so cute. All right, that's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, everyone.